Hi guys, welcome back to our channel called
Kinski Friends and Fun.
And today, we are going to be doing the color food fridge challenge. So I wrote down a bunch of colors, put them in an old tissue box like this that I decorated, not this one though. And then we're going to pull it out, and then whoever pulls it, the other person has to put that in their mouth, whatever it is. It's not food, but they get to take from the fridge. And we have plastic spoons because we don't want to waste a bunch of metal ones. Oh, and by the way, my hair is crazy. I've had it in all day. And my room is a disaster. So, let's get started. Shh, Ted's sleeping. I think since I set it up, you get to pull first, and then I get to choose it for you. So, you have to... So, I put them in this tissue box. It was already nice and decorated, but yeah. Okay, Gavin.
And I got back from my scout camp today.
And here's all of our utensils. We're probably only going to be using spoons though. But, okay, Gavin. So, stop eating, get yourself a drink because, actually, hang on, just let me get you a Propel. Because you're going to need to wash the flavor away. It's pitch black in here. Got it. Okay. Here you go. Okay.
Yeah, here, stop it.
Okay, Gavin. Pull, and whenever you pull, I get to get out of the fridge. Stick. Did you get two?
No.
Oh, red. Oh, I was actually chanting. Red, 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 red.
Wait. Oh,
red. Oh yeah, close your eyes. And it can only be in the fridge. Close your eyes. I'm going to use a spoon for this. Oh, I was so hoping I was not going to get that.
I gotta pick a random one.
Well, duh, everybody has to. Oh, it's going to do this.
Wait, what the heck?
I can't see.
I'm not high here stuff. Oh god, I'm not making myself dizzy. Ugh. Wait, what? Oh god. No hot sauce. If it is, I'll blow my mouth off.
Open. You cannot look at your eyes. Okay, you can open. Because you already know what it is.
Hot sauce.
Okay, take your drink.
Did you make him drink hot sauce?
Not drink it.
Oh,
Just
God,
a tiny
don't do that.
bit.
Please don't do that. Okay. Drink.
Drink.
He's not going to do that. You okay? You need some milk. Gavin, stop drinking from it. You need some milk. You need milk.
I did like that much.
Okay.
Did you finish that?
I just gave you some.
Oh.
You still burn? Okay, come here.
Lucky! He's eating sour cream. I was going to give him cherries, but he wouldn't like that either.
You don't have to do this.
He hates cherries. I don't like that. I love cherries. Can I have some?
You need two spoons.
I want some.
What you need, okay?
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah. Sour cream.
Is that making it better? Now, who agreed on hot sauce or cherries?
No, you get to pick.
Oh gosh,
He would have painted either one, so
I would have also ketchup than that.
that's true.
please don't do hot sauce again.
Okay.
No, I'm not a sour person.
It's not sour.
It's hot, not sour.
Either way, that's spicy.
Oh my gosh.
You know I'm not terrible. You know
What? I even dumped it out after that. I dumped it in the sink.
Calm down now.
Okay. Love repel.
Do you need any more milk?
Milk.
If you ever do hot sauce, you need dairy, milk, or sour cream. Something to help take the fire away.
Okay. Ready, Gavin? Okay, now I get to pick. Then you get to choose.
Wait, you savage.
You're gonna pay it either way.
With the shower.
At least we got that one out of the way. I was hoping that you would choose that because then I know you would give me hot sauce, wouldn't you? Yes, you would. Oh, so you can't get mad at me. Orange. It cannot be orange from here. It has to be from the fridge. But I got orange.
Excuse me.
You have to choose a utensil from there.
And tinsel.
Yeah, spoon, fork, or knife. Okay. I'm going to put my hands up. I'm so nervous. My key's going.
I'll give you one.
Let me see. I don't know where you are, but tell me if I'm...
Hello.
Oh, you can see it? Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's nothing bad with orange. Orange is okay. Because we don't have any oranges in the fridge. So, it has to be done on a spoon. So, I'm kind of thinking it could be the Reese's Pieces sauce or carrots that he's going to give me. And I have a feeling it's carrots because I just heard the door close, so. Bet you it's carrots. Bet you $20. I don't know if that should. Okay.
I'm not giving you 20. Open.
Carrot. I was right. Whoa. I'm a genius. Oh. Wow, cackle.
Hope it is not a bad one.
Well, that was probably the worst. Your favorite color, purple. I'm hoping there's something purple in the fridge.
Wait, sorry, that came on. Does this? But before I need a snack.
Okay, close your eyes. Purple. What is purple in here?
What did you just eat now?
He's choking on spit, I think. But he got purple. I don't know what purple. Blueberries and blackberries say the color. Ugh.
I heard you say blackberry blueberry.
Yeah, I said that they say the color, so I can't do those.
I don't have my glasses on. Can somebody please tell me if I'm making the hole?
Hang on.
I can't see you, so
So I have to
Stand
come.
up and tell me what you're making.
Okay, you're making it.
Can you put my glasses on right now?
Okay, well.
They're on my head.
What? No, they're not.
Shoot.
Huh?
Never mind.
oh yeah.
Postpone, Gavin. You can't just.
Don't worry,
Oh.
I'm fine. I got it. I just removed.
Postpone it for now.
Okay, just close your eyes. Okay, you might have to pick a different one if I can't find anything. Because I don't think there is anything purple. I mean, we don't have like eggplants or anything, so. Ugh.
Gotta put a
Did they
big
have
one.
time for the refrigerator?
Yes. Oh, wait. Okay, I found something.
Okay.
I think this is purple.
Uh,
Malia, come here.
What? Those are black and blue. I need purple. I chose this purple. I'm hoping this is purple.
please be. Hope this be good.
Hey, do me a favor. Take a sniff first.
Smells fine. Oh, actually it smells super good.
What is it?
You'll see.
Oh God.
Ready?
Huh? Yay, yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
As a rule of thumb, please make sure it always smells good because you never know what you're gonna taste.
All I saw was that, so I was like, I think it's purple.
Finally, something yummy.
You have a hot sauce.
Mm.
Oh, if I didn't have it, you would have had to pick something different. Yeah, go ahead. You can finish that. Okay.
Yay.
You think it'd be fun to be the person choosing. It's the opposite. You know, you don't want to be the person choosing the mystery box. Blue. I don't think we have anything. Oh, wait. Yes, we do. I'm not going to say it, though. Blueberry. Everybody should have blueberries are the best. With sugar.
Goodness.
Of course he is. So, I got blue. Okay, so just make promise. Okay, and with my eyes closed, I have to try to drink Propel. So, hopefully, okay, that wasn't as hard as I thought. Yeah, I think that's on the full way. You guys tell me, is it on the full way? Should be. I'm hoping I'm looking at the camera.
Oh yeah, I didn't got the utensil.
I'm pretty sure I know what you're doing.
You'll see. You'll see. Okay, Malia, open.
Blueberries! I was right! It's the only blue thing in the fridge.
Wait, I will have given you this.
Not in the fridge. Okay.
The last item. The
Really?
last two.
Hang on. What?
The last two.
No, there's more, Gavin.
As the last two.
There's like 4 in there.
Yeah!
Oh, those were
Green.
green.
But first, I need a taste.
Nice.
I just need the taste one snack.
Now you have to wash out your mouth with your Propel. What'd you have? Green?
Yes.
I know what I'm gonna give him.
Oh, frick.
Close your eyes. There's a brown in there. Oh, actually, hang on, I need to talk off camera for a minute. Okay. I'm hoping I get yellow and brown because brown could be chocolate syrup and yellow could be lemon juice and lemon juice if it's all. I ordered cherry plum challenge, so like go. Okay. So you got green. Wow. So do you think it should have to be a green food, or do you think actually wait? Okay, I know what I'm going to.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's not gonna be bad. Quote quote.
Oh, it's gonna be bad. You like close clothes. I know that. It's gonna be bad. I'm not opening my mouth.
Trust me, Gun, you're gonna like it. You are! Okay, go. Ah!
I know what it's gonna be.
Oh my gosh.
I know it's gonna be already.
What?
Never mind.
Okay, go. Open.
Ah.
It's a pickle! I told you! I got you scared! I love pickles, so I'm gonna go get some.
Hey.
You thought, I knew that you were gonna think it would be lemon and lime juice. There's a pickle.
Why are we playing that pickles again?
Okay. Well.
First one.
Oh.
I have to shut up. Our dog is being annoying, so.
Black. Wait. No, it's meant to be brown, not black.
Brown, black, don't be black.
No, it has to be brown. I forgot to put black. I mean, brown. Uh-oh. I think I know what he's gonna do. He has two options. It could either be the pudding or the chocolate syrup.
Okay.
Oh, I hope it's good. This is my pudding. And put, by the way, guys.
Oh, there's a pudding on the floor.
By the way, guys, you put that in my uvula. You freaking put that in my uvula again.
You get crazy pudding.
You get to have the last one.
It's black. Right.
Wait.
Blanco.
Wait. Okay, guys, close your eyes.
I hope we have something good. Something like it's good in there. Yeah, we have. Oh my. I might know. It might be ice.
That's not in the fridge.
It's connected. So, it's there first.
Well, it's your turn if you don't want ice, then. It's on you for spoiling that.
I don't. I hate ice. Unless it's in drink, so. Hope it doesn't go one. Alright, hope this is good. Come on, be good. What's going on?
Nothing.
You're doing something.
Duh.
What? What are you doing?
I can't tell you. I can't. Sorry. Not.
Yo, cuckoo head.
Hey, you found out what you were. Actually, there was a lot of things in there that were white that I could have chosen from. But I chose this.
Oh, flip. That's good. Are you ready?
In a second. Okay.
Huh? Milk.
Yeah. I put it on both. Here, I'll show you all the things that were white. So we could have done. So there was rice. There was heavy cream. There was heavy cream back here. We could have done that. We could have done sour cream. Sour cream would have been really good for me. We could have done ranch. But I decided to do something. Here, Gavin, let's do one more surprise one. So, you get to pick the last surprise
Bonus.
one for me.
This is a bonus one.
But it can't be anything we've already done.
Can't.
Yeah, it cannot. So, like, you can't do hot sauce, you can't do blueberries or anything.
Can be outside for this well.
Nope.
Dang it.
And it can't be something that either of us did already. It has to be. No.
Dang. I might
Go!
I might know what I'm going to do.
It can't be something we've already done, just saying. Again. And it has to be something that you can eat plain. Like, it can't be something that, like, it can't be, like, eggs or something. Because eggs will give you diarrhea, so. Dude, shut the fridge. I'm gonna save this because I know it's gonna be something bad. So technically, no matter what, it's gonna be a good ending. Struggles?
Yes?
Do you need help?
No. If I can get this open. We gotta keep your eyes closed with this. I'm gonna need Mom's help.
I knew it was Brand. Gavin.
Gosh, I haven't done yet.
We already have an open bottle, you ding dong. Well, now I know what you're doing, so you have to put it back. Oh, you have to choose something that's already open. Oh yeah, and it can't be anything that. It can't be anything that'll hurt my stomach, like dairy. But it can be sour cream.
That's dairy.
Well, you know what I mean, like something that I need a
Like
lactose
milk?
pill. Yeah, milk. I don't actually say it like milk, but comment down below if you guys say milk or milk. I say milk. He says milk. Our whole family says milk, but some of my friends say milk.
Ugh.
I think it's cheese.
What?
I think it's cheese. Which sometimes hurts my stomach. It depends on what kind. So I think it's cheese. Ding, 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 ding. I am very square teeth. pretty. I love them Liberty Coins.
We open the wide.
Gavin, you can't shove it in my mouth. You almost choked me. Put this down my throat.
Sorry.
But I was right, it was cheese.
Your favorite kind of cheese. I had opened a new pack.
Well, that's not true because my favorite type of cheese is provolone, but sure.
There's your nacho cheese. You know what? Ari can eat this. But on a full 5 week.
Okay, well, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and
Hit the bell.
we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.